Scan now. Meet Sovi, your new AI study buddy.
Equilibrium questions look scary, but this one collapses fast if you track the mole changes carefully and turn that key C expression into one clean equation. Let the initial moles of both H2 and I2 be X, since they're equimolar in a rigid 1.0 liter container, so moles and concentrations are numerically the same here. At equilibrium, 0.600 mole of HI is present, and because 2 HI forms from 1 H2 plus 1 I2, each reactant must have decreased by 0.300, leaving X minus 0.300. Now plug into Kc equals HI squared over H2 times I2. 100 equals 0.600 squared over X minus 0.300 squared, so X becomes 0.360. Well done! Option C, scan now. The trap is sign mistakes from rushing. Trust the given HI amount and check each equilibrium step carefully.